Splash Mountain. It may look peaceful and fun, but the only way out is a long way down. Now open Splash Mountain at Disneyland.
Splash Mountain 10月1日東京ディズニーランドにオープンスリルに飛び込め
Everybody's got a laughing place to go home, home. Take a fountain upside down, and you'll find there's no home. Honey and rainbows on our way. We're laughing 'cause our work is play. Boy, are we in luck. We're visiting our laughing place. Everybody's got a laughing place to go home, home. Take a smile there for a while, and you'll find yours we know. Honey rainbows on our way. Take the frown, turn it upside down.
Somewhere high on a mountain in the middle of the Magic Kingdom Park, where the sleeping frog fishes and giant birds nibble slices of melon, water gently trickles through the laughing place. And just when you're getting used to all the laughing and floating there in your comfy log, it happens. The water doesn't trickle so gently anymore. And the frog, well, he isn't sleeping at all. In fact, you begin to wonder if he was ever really fishing. And then, before you can even ask your log mates if you should pick up that hitchhiking crocodile, it appears. The giant briar patch.